into Stockholm's Arlanda Airport, one of Scandinavia's major air hubs, or arrive by one of the region's airports for low fares carriers. You can also ferry in from cities across the Baltic Sea. In town,
Stockholm was growing rapidly from being a minor city in Sweden to becoming a big city in one of the big cities of Europe. And now, at the current moment, the fastest growing city in Europe. Even at the time where the private car was considered all over the world the role model of transport planning, we still realized we realized that we had to use a holistic and inclusive perspective step by step to make sure that all parties involved, just as I mentioned, were involved in as well the car manufacturers, it was the local authorities, the national authorities, and we also had many campaigns.
The Tingstad Tunnel was built in the 1960s and was dimensioned for a substantially smaller volume of traffic. The tunnel has now reached its maximum capacity and is often congested.
Tingstadstunneln som är nålsögat här har ju alla göteborgare önskat att få en.
Som resenär så ska du ha fler tåg att välja på. Resenärer från till exempel Örebro och Västerås.
And of course control and management of traffic and transport flow. And then building safe roads and like safe bridges, and if when it comes to traffic safety for bicycles, bicycle lanes have to have certain width and also be safe with signals for the bicycles.
With BRT service allocated to the BRT service, buses will be running down the center of...
We're still going through, and we really, really want you to come out, give us your input, let us know what's important to you.
With my card, this makes it easy to visit the countryside, beaches, islands, small towns, and historical places, like here.
Some key success factors is that there's a need of a political will. We see that in all the successful cities in the world, there is a political champion. There is a political drive and persistence with the will to implement it. If that is there, it will succeed.